यूपी के जनपद पीलीभीत के टाइगर रिजर्व में आए सैलानी टाइगर देखकर हुए गदगद। ग्रीन देश से आए भारत के यूपी में पीलीभीत के टाइगर रिजर्व घूमने के लिए सैलानियों ने जमकर लुत्फ उठाया। पूरे परिवार के साथ आए पहली बार ग्रीन देश के सैलानियों ने पीलीभीत से चूका स्पॉट घूमने वाली जिप्सी बुक करके टाइगर रिजर्व के जंगल का भ्रमण किया। उन्होंने जंगल सफारी से टाइगर समेत हिरन, मोर, पक्षी, मगरमच्छ और गैंडा जैसे तमाम पशु पक्षियों को देखकर मन मोहित हो गया। उन्होंने टाइगर रिजर्व की जमकर तारीफ की और वहां के सौंदर्य को भी खूब निहारा। इसके बाद उन्होंने टाइगर रिजर्व के सफारी गार्ड महेंद्र पाल और उनके साथी की सहायता और सहयोग के लिए सराहना की। जी इंडिया लाइव टीवी न्यूज के लिए पीलीभीत से पीके गौतम की खास रिपोर्ट।
Namaste, very good morning. I am here in Tiger Reserve, Pilibhit Tiger Reserve. I am me and Saurabh, my husband. We are the owners of Akshara. She is Nancy, the leader of the group. They have come all from Greece. They are staying in Akshara and we are here in Tiger Reserve. How was your experience?
Amazing.
Did you see the tiger?
Yes, I see the tiger.
She was beautiful?
Very beautiful and big.
Did you like it?
Yes, a lot.
And the jungle?
And the jungle is super.
It is super. For me, I want to say that I have come more than 10 times, around 15-20. I have never seen the tiger and today I saw. She is very beautiful because all these people, they are our lucky charms. They have come. Yes. Now, people, how was your experience?
Perfect experience. The tiger was really beautiful and our guides were very good.
And Akshara Yoga?
And Akshara Yoga was excellent.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Did
guys.
you see the tiger?
I saw the tiger. I think we are very lucky to see the tiger.
Very
I
lucky.
think because we have a very good energy, very
Yes.
good vibes. That's why we saw the tiger.
Yes.
Thank you very much,
George?
guys.
It was scary.
Did you see the tiger?
Of course.
Did you like it?
Very beautiful.
Nice.